Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In previous videos we have already discussed about sorting an array using different methods. And in today's video we are going to discuss about sorting the array list using merge sort method. So make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you will never miss an update. So let's start the video. Today, we are going to use the example. When we write the code to sort the array, we will get 0, 1, 3, and 4. So, first of all, we are going to define a function as merge sort with array as argument. Inside the function we write if length of array greater than 1, then we give mid equals length of the array and we do the floor division by 2. Then we give left equals array mid colon. Again right equals array colon mid. Then we write merge sort left and merge sort right. Now we write array clear. And we declare a while loop with left and right if left 0 less than right 0, then append the array, left pop 0. And else append array, right pop 0. Then we give array extend left or right. Now, we give the numbers as 4, 3, 1, and 0. And then we call the function merge sort, numbers. And then we print the numbers. Let's run the code. So, here is the output. Let's come to the explanation of the video. We define a function merge sort with an argument. The function checks if its length is greater than 1. If the length is greater than 1, it calculates the midpoint index of array, and creates two new subarrays left and right using string slicing syntax, and then we recursively call merge sort on each subarray. Once the subarrays have been sorted, the merge sort function clears the original ARR array and creates a while loop that continues while both left and right have elements. The loop compares the first elements of left and right, appends the smaller element to array, and removes it from its respective subarray. Finally, any remaining elements in left or right are appended to array. Now we take the values from the example. We call the function merge sort to the numbers. Finally, we print the sorted array. So, this is the end of the methods of sorting arrays. If you have any doubt, leave a comment so that I can help you out. New videos from next week, so stay tuned and make sure to subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. See you next time.